Okay, Jay, I'm patrolling
traffic stop.
Charger during the snowstorm.
Doing the show here on 9th.
Looks pretty good out.
I think we're at on Illinois Specialty Plate George over Henry. Be Paul Mary 11 George over Henry.
I'm doing what I can not to get myself stuck.
Silver Honda. One in front of me on the right shoulder is a white compact, and I have a white
lot of
pickup
people
right for me.
getting
I think
stuck.
it's assisting. I'll be out checking on injuries.
State guys are out in force, doing what they can.
Springfield 948, Council B should have told you. I'll check the one at the 123 and everything going up north to it.
Mostly on Interstate 55.
100 southbound.
948, 10-4.
Springfield North Frank Hall.
North Frank Hall, go ahead.
Another 10.
I stop. I'm gonna get
55
stuck.
north across from IDOT. I got a 28-7 ready.
North Frank 12, 10-4. Can I clear you off the other one first?
Yeah, 10-4. I'm probably
This one's
only
been
about
plowed a little bit.
So right. 671 be at traffic. It's got to identify.
Visibility was very low earlier. It's kind of gotten a little bit better.
10-4.
I thought you were giving me a plate. North Frank 12, go ahead.
I can give you a pin.
10-4. I thought you were giving me a license plate. I thought you were advising 10.7.
There's the interstate, which
10-4.
I'm coming across the interstate now,
Go
but
ahead.
that's visibility for you.
Robert, Motion, Ida, George, William, Edward. First name is Darby, D-A-R-B-I-A. Middle are Robert. They're going to need a tow also.
So visibility's down, but so far so
North
good.
Frank 12, 10-4.
Alright, get off of here so I can continue to patrol
Springfield 970.
and not put myself down in the ditch.